Hey guys, and thanks for tuning into a new video. So in today's video, I wanted to show how you can use a one-page kit in order to create two different layouts. Now the thing that happened is when I went ahead and filmed what I thought I was filming, my daily insert, my daily layout, it was not recording. So simply, as you can tell, all I did was take the task stickers from this kit, you know, the stickers that say bills, to do, remember, hydrate, all those things, and place them on top of the boxes and included the doll sticker. So it's super simple. The rest of the stickers I'm going to save for my weekly layout. Now this is an A5 and this is an hourly layout. If you're interested in the hourly layout, you can check out my Etsy shop. I do have one available. This specifically is not mine, but I do have one available. I cannot remember the Etsy shop that I purchased this particular one from. I do love to support other business, other Etsy shop owners. So if you have a shop or there's a shop you're interested in, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm always willing to try out a new shops and support everybody here in the planner community. So as you can see, what I'm doing is just laying down my weekly stickers, my headers. And after I do that, I'm going to work with some of the box stickers. So if I didn't mention before, this one-page kit is from Goldmine Coco. If you would like to purchase this, it's available on the site. I'll have a link down below to this exact kit. This one is called On a Mission, and it's so cute. I love the black, white, and yellow. Super, super cute. So I'm going to take that full box sticker and put it on Monday, because for me, at the beginning of the week, especially now that I'm working from home, Mondays are for me to do laundry, dishes, clean, you know, just really get my house clean as I'm working from home throughout the week. So I like to write down all the tasks that I want to accomplish on Mondays. Now, Tuesdays through Thursday, I have meetings. And so this is what I'm going to be putting using these quarter box stickers. Now, the only thing that I don't like about this layout, which won't be an issue if you purchase the hourly from my Etsy shop, is that the times is kind of blocking. It's not the standard one half an inch size, so it's kind of wonky, and I had to work around it with moving the boxes because the boxes are wider than the allotted space on here. So that's the only downfall with this particular spread, but I worked around it. I still like it. Now, Saturday and Sunday are not work days, so those are more checklists. On Saturday, I like to run errands, and so that's why I like to use a checklist for that. And then on Sundays, I specifically reserve for self-care and just pretty much taking it easy. So there's not really a time dedicated slot for those days. Last but not least, I'm just using this deco sticker. I just wanted to use it because I was trying to use everything on the sticker sheet. And as you can see, I had some issues trying to find an exact placement for it because it's a very unique sticker. And it accidentally got stuck down in that corner. And when I tell you, I will say this paper that Goldmine Coco uses, once you put this paper down, baby, you cannot move that sticker. So you got to be a sticker beast when it comes to using the stickers from Goldmine Coco. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, one-page kits can be very versatile. You don't have to use them just for a weekly layout. They work in all layouts, and I just wanted to give you guys some more variety. And I do apologize that the beginning of the video got cut off. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I love to have you. And again, I'll have the links and the discount codes for this down below. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.